Hello viewers, today Poco has launched Poco Pad in the Indian market and the specs of this tablet seems to be very good. It comes with Wi-Fi and 5G version for the 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Actually, the processor that has been used in this tablet is Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 and it comes with Android 14. And if you talk about the cameras, it has two camera, 8 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary sensor. This time Poco Pad comes with a large 12.1 inches Quad HD LCD display and it comes with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. So you will have a great multimedia experience with this tablet. Plus on the front you will get Corning Gorilla Glass protection. So actually Poco has taken good care of the display. Now if you talk about the battery life, it comes with 10,000 mAh battery and there is a 33 watt fast charger inside the box. So you can have longer hours of usage with Poco Pad. Poco Pad actually comes with quad speakers and it has Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, so you will enjoy multimedia consumption and stereo speakers on this tablet. Actually 7S Gen 2 is a very good processor. It is a power efficient processor and it will not heat up too much, so you will have a very good experience with this tablet, but you cannot compare it with any flagship level tablets. Moreover, Poco has one drawback. Actually the software updates of Poco is terrible. Some users of Poco smartphones received updates in the past and their motherboard got damaged. So if you buy this tablet, I will suggest you not to update to the latest version, because if you update to the latest version, your tablet may be infected with unknown bugs and that may corrupt the system of your Poco Pad. Though you will get warranty under Poco, but if you damaged your tablet, in that case you have to rush to the service center, so it is a problem for you to go to the service center to repair a new product. So updating to the latest version is a thing that you should be worried about. So who should buy Poco Pad? If you want a bigger display, Quad HD speaker and you don't bother about the software updates, in that case you will get a very good hardware under rupees 20,000, because in launch offers you will get 3,000 rupees cashback with HDFC credit card or ICICI credit card. So if you want to buy, you can buy, but you have to keep in mind that software update or future software updates may not be as smooth as other Android tablets such as Samsung or Oneplus. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great